a woman, your vagina is a very sensitive and special organ. However, some of you don't know and abuse its sensitivity by putting things that are not good into the vagina. In today's topic, I'm going to be enlightening on things you should never and never put in your vagina. My name is Sarah Dong. I'm working with the Comfort Home Nursing Care Services, and the following are the services we provide. Alright, let's go to the things you should never put in your vagina. But first and foremost, what is a vagina and where exactly is the vagina? The vagina is the inside bit of the vulva. The outside part of the body that you see as a lady is your vulva, and the vulva contains the pubis minora, it contains the labia minora and labia majora and the vaginal opening. But the inside bit of it is called the vagina. It is where the penis goes in and out during a sexual intercourse. Number one thing that you should never and never insert in your vagina: vegetables and fruits. Yes, when I talk of vegetables and fruits, I mean the cucumbers, the eggplants, banana, carrots, all that. These are fruits and vegetables, and you should never put them inside your vagina. I know you already have an idea what I'm meaning here. It is very dangerous because those fruits are always having preservatives and insecticides that can damage the pH of your vagina. Also, these fruits can get stuck in your vagina. Yes, it might not have happened, but there is a possibility of this fruit getting stuck inside your vagina, and my sister, you'll get yourself in emergency section of the hospital, which is not nice. You should not insert these fruits inside your vagina. Number two, sweet things like ice cream, yogurt, honey. People use this during sexual intercourse to arouse themselves during sex, but all these are sweeteners. They have sweet, and sweet things are a breeding area for bacteria. So when you put them inside the vagina, it will cause the bacteria to grow more inside the vagina, and you'll end up getting multiple infections. You'll always be getting vaginal infections. So you must stop putting these things inside your vagina. You can use them in any other part of the body, the chest, the back, to arouse your sexual feelings, but inside the vagina, please stop inserting, stop putting these things inside the vagina. Number three, dirty fingers. Yes, this to some people, what they call fingering is what they use as a foreplay, but it is very important to always wash your hands before the foreplay, because the fingers always carry bacteria. It carries a lot of dirt. So when you insert it into the vagina, you are introducing germs into the vagina, and you will get vaginal infections that are not nice. Number four, douching or douching, depending on how you call it. Douching is flushing of the inside of the vagina using a stream of water or a stream of solutions that you have prepared. Most women use this method thinking they are flushing out infections from the vagina, but in the actual sense, you are hurting the vagina. The vagina is self-cleansing. It cleanses its own self. That is how it was created. It is able to clean its own self. So you don't need to flush out the vagina, because you are flushing out the important bacteria that cares for the vagina. Please stop douching in this year 2024. Number five, using harsh soaps or chemicals. Yes, most ladies use these soaps as tighteners, Some of you knows that when you wash down there with soap, probably the smell will become better. Also, some people are putting sprays. You don't need to spray inside the vagina for someone to feel the good smell over there. The vagina should smell like the vagina. It has its own beautiful smell, and you should leave it alone. These soaps, these medicated soaps, can actually cause burns and irritations inside the vagina. You can use it maybe outside on the vulva. You know where the vulva is exactly. The vulva and the pubis, you can use it a little bit on the vulva and rinse it off with clean water. Number 6, dirty sex toys. A lot of people have resorted to using sex toys nowadays, but the process of which they use is incorrect. Some of you are using it in the vagina and then you take it back to the anus, carrying bacteria from the anal area and then bring it back in the vagina. All these bacteria will cause a lot of UTIs. It will give you urinary tract infection. So stop using dirty toys. When you're going to use those toys, make sure they are clean and let the toys for the vagina be for the vagina. For the anus, be for the anus. Number 7, steaming the vagina and smoking the vagina. There are people who steam the vagina using steams. They put herbals or different essence in water or steamers and they sit over it in the essence of wanting to treat bacterial infection. Here it is very bad. You can end up burning your vulva area or cause burns inside the vagina. So it is not a very good practice. Stop steaming the vagina. If you have any pain or irritation, or if you notice any discharge which is uncomfortable as a lady, please go to the hospital and you get checked. For the first time, let your urine and blood be checked for urinary tract infection, and they will be able to give you the best medication for that infection. Smoking the vagina destroys the normal flora that is supposed to care for the vagina. So if you smoke, you cause the normal flora to die out, so the vagina will continuously have infection. You have come to the end of this video. Thank you for hanging in there. My name is Sarah Adong. I'm working with Comfort Home Nursing Care Services, and we provide bedside nursing services to patients at the convenience of their own homes. So if you're interested in our services, please contact us on our details running on the screen. If you've liked this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share to your loved ones and friends, and leave a comment also on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.